Hey, Sophia. This place feels really calm today.
Yeah, Harry. I feel calm too. I really like being here.
Me too. When I stand in a place like this, my thoughts slow down.
That happens to me as well. I don't feel rushed here.
It feels like time is moving gently.
Yes, like time is giving us space.
You know, Sophia, being in a calm place makes me think clearly
Think about what, Harry?
about life, about where I am, and about what comes next.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
When people talk about planning for 2026, it often sounds serious.
Yes, it sounds heavy sometimes,
Like we must decide everything right now.
but we don't have to, Harry.
That took me a long time to understand.
When you think about 2026, what do you feel first?
Honestly, I feel a little pressure and a little hope.
Oh, that feels honest.
Last year felt very fast. Every day was full.
Mine too. My mind was always busy.
Even when I rested, my thoughts didn't stop.
That kind of tiredness stays inside.
Yes, it really does.
In 2026, I don't want to wake up afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of time. Afraid of falling behind.
Many people feel that way.
But maybe we don't need to run anymore.
Maybe we can walk instead.
That feels nicer.
You know, Sophia, I realized something important.
What is it?
Planning doesn't mean control.
It means care.
Exactly.
Many people think planning means big goals.
Big goals can bring big pressure.
But planning can start small,
Yes, very small.
like choosing calm mornings.
Or sleeping better.
Oh, or being kinder to ourselves.
Those small things change our days.
They really do.
How do you want your mornings to feel in 2026?
I want them to feel slow, quiet, warm.
That sounds peaceful.
No phone first. No rushing.
That's difficult, but possible.
Some days will still be messy.
Of course, that's normal.
Planning doesn't remove problems.
It helps us face them calmly.
That feels healthier.
In 2026, I want to stop asking myself, am I doing enough?
And start asking, what?
Am I doing this with care?
That question feels lighter.
Yes, much lighter.
Do you ever feel tired, even after resting?
Yes, because my mind keeps working.
Oh, mine too.
So this year, I want to do one thing at a time.
That's a good plan.
Planning for 2026 is not about being fast.
It's about being present.
Exactly.
I'm glad we talked like this today.
Me too, Sophia. It feels peaceful.
Planning 2026 doesn't feel heavy anymore.
It feels gentle now.
Slow plans.
Kind plans.
Plans that give us space.
That feels right. You know, Sophia, after talking about calm mornings, I start thinking deeper
Deeper how, Harry?
about how we spend our energy, not just time.
That's important. Energy feels limited sometimes.
Yes, last year I gave energy to too many things.
Me too. Things that didn't matter much.
And then nothing felt enough.
That can feel empty.
In 2026, I want to choose more carefully.
Choose what to give energy to.
Exactly, Sophia. People, habits, thoughts.
Sounds healthier.
I don't want my days to feel scattered anymore.
Ugh, that word fits well. Scattered.
I want my days to feel connected
Connected to what?
to how I feel inside.
Listening to yourself.
Yes, something I ignored before.
Many of us did.
Planning 2026 feels different now.
Different from last year?
Yes, less about fixing everything, more about understanding myself.
Understanding comes before change.
That's true. Harry, do you think it's okay if plans are unclear sometimes?
I think it's normal. Life is not always clear.
That makes me feel better.
Me too. Unclear doesn't mean wrong.
It just means we are learning.
Exactly, Sophia.
In 2026, I want to ask myself one question often.
What question?
Is this helping me feel calm?
That's a good guide.
If the answer is no, maybe I slow down.
Or let it go.
Yes, letting go feels hard, but also light. Very true.
Harry, do you feel more patient these days?
A little. Not perfect, but better.
Better is enough.
That's what I'm learning.
This conversation helps me think clearly.
Me too, Sophia. Talking slowly helps.
Maybe this is also part of planning.
Talking, thinking, feeling.
Preparing the inside, not just the outside.
Yes, that's a good way to say it.
I think this calm feeling is leading us somewhere.
Toward the next step.
Not the whole year, just the next step.
Exactly.
Harry, standing here makes me think.
About 2026?
Yes, about how we want it to be.
Me too, Sophia. I don't want 2026 to feel rushed.
Last year felt very fast.
Too fast. Every month disappeared.
I don't even remember some days.
That's why planning 2026 feels important to me.
Important, but also a little scary.
Yes, planning sounds big.
Like we must decide everything.
But maybe planning 2026 doesn't mean big decisions.
Maybe it means small direction?
Exactly. Just knowing how we want to live.
In 2026, I don't want to feel tired all the time.
Me neither. I want more calm days.
Calm feels missing sometimes.
So when I think about planning 2026, I think about balance.
Balance between work and rest?
Yes, and between thinking and living.
That sounds healthy.
Last year, my plans were about doing more.
Mine too.
In 2026, I want plans about doing better.
Better feels kinder.
Planning should help us, not push us.
I like that idea.
Some people plan to change everything.
But that can feel heavy.
Yes. So for 2026, I want slow change.
Change that we can keep.
Exactly, Sophia.
When I think about 2026 now, I feel a little calmer.
Me too. Talking about it slowly helps.
Maybe this is how planning starts.
Talking, feeling, understanding.
Before writing anything down.
Yes, before habits, before goals.
Just understanding ourselves.
That feels like a good bridge to the next step.
Harry, when you say one step at a time, I feel relief.
Me too, Sophia. Big steps feel heavy.
Small steps feel safe.
Yes, and safe steps last longer.
In 2026, I don't want perfect days.
I want honest days.
Days where I can say, today was enough.
That's a good feeling.
Last year, I went to bed thinking, I didn't do enough.
Me too. Almost every night.
That voice was tiring.
Very tiring.
So in 2026, I want my days to end gently.
How does that look for you, Sophia?
Eating slowly, putting my phone away, sleeping on time.
Those are strong plans.
They don't look special, but they change how I feel.
That's the power of daily life.
Planning 2026 feels more real now,
Because it's about real moments.
not about proving anything.
Yes, not proving, just living.
Harry, do you think balance is possible?
Harry, not every day, but over time.
That feels honest.
Some days will be busy,
Some days will be slow.
and both are part of 2026.
I like that.
I also want balance with people.
Harry, what do you mean?
Time alone, and time with others.
I forget time alone is important.
Me too, but it helps me reset.
So planning 2026 also means planning rest.
Yes, rest is not a reward.
It's a need.
Exactly.
Harry, talking like this makes planning feel kind.
That's how I want it to feel.
Kind plans, kind days.
And a kinder year.
2026 feels closer now.
Not scary, just waiting.
Harry, before we leave, I want to say something.
Go ahead, Sophia.
If you are listening right now and planning your own 2026, you don't need to hurry.
You don't need perfect plans.
It's okay to start small.
With one calm day, one kind habit, and one honest thought.
Planning can be slow.
And gentle.
That doesn't make it weak.
It makes it real.
Now, if this conversation helped you feel calmer or helped you practice simple English, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more slow, calm conversations. We'll talk again soon. Take care of yourself and go at your own pace.
See you next time.
Bye.